In this video, I show you how you can profit from including the thighs and the feet in creating the O gesture, and how the zodiac relationship in the body can become active. Create the O as a form. Bring the fingers together and see that the gesture is properly round, filled and strong. Or create it in 2 stages as described in the video, the basic gesture of the vowel O. There you first allow the hands to stream out from the heart, then connect with the peripheral forces from the heart and allow these to bring the hands together. Or create it magnetically by imagining the O in front of your body and then let the arms simply fly there without your doing. Or you create the O with the wings, allowing it to be carried sideways by the shoulder blades and close in front by being enfolded by the aura. Stand relaxed and feel your feet. Wander along the soles of your feet with your body's perception to the heels and then to the toes. Perceive the outer sides of the feet and then the inner sides. Bend the knees a little. Stroke the thighs so that you can feel them properly, and straighten up with the help of the thighs so that your consciousness remains there in the thighs and in that activity. You may notice that in straightening up through the thighs, your feet are suddenly awake. Did you really wander down to the feet through the thighs, knees and calves with your consciousness? Or is there another way? One seldom pushes the calves back to straighten up, or presses the feet together to straighten up. And how one could use the knees to straighten up is a mystery to me. If you've noticed a connection between the feet and thighs that doesn't go through the legs, you may have noticed that the thighs are connected to the zodiac sign of Sagittarius and the feet to Pisces. Jupiter and its sound O is assigned to both these zodiac signs and interconnects these very different force systems. I experience that activating the thighs makes me awake in the feet. Now I would like to create the O in 3 different ways. Once directly out of the middle, once out of the forces of the thighs, and once by including the forces of the feet. Mainly focus your attention here in the middle where the O is at home. I am creating the O by streaming from the heart. Now create the awe by bending the knees, stroking the thighs, and whilst creating the awe, slowly straighten the thighs. Use the relationship that exists between the upper arms and the thighs, so that in straightening up the thighs, the arms are carried by this. You may notice that your center is freer than before, and that you are more present in the eyes. Now we again create the awe using our thighs, but now additionally going right down into the feet, waking up in the feet, and feeling into the depths below the feet. For me, the quality of the awe and how I experience myself within it has changed completely. How do you experience it?